Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have site access and the Esignature add-in enabled. This prevents delays later. Once verified, upload the document into the correct Sharepoint library and select it. Then choose the e-sign option in the command bar. Make sure to add each signer, choose signing order if needed, and pick an authentication method like email or phone OTP so identities are validated. This first step sets the workflow and permissions, so signatures are trackable and legally sound. Once done with upload and recipient setup, you configure the document. Drag signature, date, and initials fields into place and align them to form layout. Make sure to set required flags and simple validation rules so missing entries block completion. If you have conditional fields, attach rules now so only relevant inputs appear. Next, define routing, sequential for approvals or parallel to save time. Then set reminders and an expiration date so the process keeps moving without. You now send the e-sign request and monitor progress in the Sharepoint library or the add-in dashboard. Watch status changes and signer activity. Once all parties sign, download the signed PDF or let the system store it back into the library with the audit trail attached. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and signer email accuracy, then resend or regenerate the envelope. This ensures chain of custody and prevents rework, while preserving legal validity and a clear audit record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.